So now we've completed the camera part of it. We can close the camera and we can go to something called video editor. What I have done in between is I have put the videos into the captures folder. There's a folder called video captures. So everything has gone into the video captures folder, and now I've gone to the video editor, which is now going to open up on my screen, and I'll be able to add things to it. Here it is. Let's start a new video. It's a little slow. Okay, so here's a new video project. I'm going to start a blank project. And it says my library is empty, so I need to start adding things to my library. So I have got, let's say, a few different videos which I want to add. So I'm going to call this, give it a name. Let's call it new video and accept that. So now I'm going to add to my project library from this PC. So I click on from this PC. It goes down to pictures, it goes to videos, right? And under videos I find captures. Under captures I find a few interesting things. So I'm going to pick up what I had already called using camera, which is one video. I'm going to open that, and I'm also going to take camera take one, right? So these two are going to be part of my video. There they are. They both arrived in place, and I noticed that they've got a lot of background information which has to be edited. That can also be done. So when we drag items from the project library, put it directly here, we can just drag this, dump it here. So that's your first video. Okay, and now if I run this, this is what it's going to look like. I'm now going to show you. So you see that the first 2 points, I'm going to stop that, move it back a bit, little bit more. Okay, it's here where I want to actually cut it out. So at 4 seconds 36, I'm going to cut it out. So what I do is, I'm on this video, so I go to trim, and it allows me to trim up to there. Then I say done. So now my new video starts from here. Okay, let's look at this video. It's got a lot of information. Okay, it's got this information. So let me play it up to the point I want to stop it. Okay, so it tells me how to get into camera. You find it popping up there, best match. Click on it, and it opens up the camera, which now switches on the laptop camera, which is on the laptop. I don't need the headphones, so I can take them off, and I can use only the microphone to continue my recording. So here we are, recording what we want to. This is part of my lecture, and the lecture will, oh sorry, shit, I don't even have it on. So I need to stop it somewhere there, right? So what I do is go back, figure out where I want to stop it. That's where I'm going to stop it. So that's at 3670. So I open that. Let's go back a bit. Don't even have it on. That's right. So 3670 is where I want to stop it. So I trim it, and this time I click it there, and it's done. Right. So now my video is ready. I can play the whole thing, go to the beginning and play the entire thing. Or if you want to see how these two videos work together, camera, you'll find it popping up there, best match. Click on it, and it opens up the camera, which now switches on the laptop camera, which is on the laptop. I don't need the headphones, so I can take them off, and I can use only the microphone to continue my recording. So here we are, recording what we want to. This is part of my lecture, and the lecture will, oh sorry, shit, I don't even have it on. We're coming to 3670 where it's going to change. Okay, now you see it started the second video. Now this second video needs to be trimmed as well. So I'm going to stop it here, move it back to where I want to trim it. That's right. Okay, so this is at 41. So here I trim it and just click on this. It should move all the way there and it's done. So the second video is now ready. I can play it. Remember, this is the entire timeline, so I'm playing only this video. So I go to the search box and I type again, it shows the same information. It shows me talking something different maybe. The overall length is 1 minute 37 seconds, so we can actually push this along a little bit if you want, but we'll watch it. Let's watch it. It's only a 1 minute and 1.5 minute story. Somewhere down here it's going to stop and I'm going to need to shut this video. So the moment I click on the red dot, red square actually, I will be closing the camera. You will find your videos with date and time on them, and you will be able to keep these as short lectures which can be stitched together in the next thing which I'm going to show you, how to edit videos. Right, so that's where I want to stop, so I'll just move it back to where I want to stop. Watch it again when he goes for the okay, so we can just move that back a fraction and then trim it. We now move the right trimmer to there and say done. So this is now our video. It's a project. We are ready to save it. So I click on finish video. I can add music if I want. It's giving me a video quality high, so I say export. So now it's going to export this video. It's called new video. We'll call it camera on laptop, and it's gone into pictures. We don't want it in pictures, we want it in videos, and we want it in captures. That's where you want it, so we'll export it there. It's exporting. It will take a bit of time. So at this point in time, it is possible to actually reduce your video by cutting out this long time between starting export and ending export. You can actually trim the middle. Okay, that's called splitting the video. You can just remove a bit of it from the middle. We'll do that some other time. And it's done. Okay, saved. Window pops up, tells you a bit of information about your video, and here's the video you created, and we can actually see it and run it. So that's all for now. Have fun making videos.